Hi everyone, this is Ashwin. I am working as business analyst for a banking product development team. I am part of Vishwapoornima Yoga Centre from last 7 years. I usually attend morning 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock regular batch. I have attended most of Venketesh Sir's workshop. Maybe karya, siddi, kriya, yoga 1, 2, 3, or batch flower remedy and acupressure. What I want to say is I had a lot of sneezing and running nose problem from many years. Due to this, I had disturbed sleep. After regularly attending yoga classes and practicing yoga and attending research workshop, all this allergy issue has gone now. And the other thing what I want to add is my confidence level is better with practice of yoga, and yoga has helped me to give strong mental and physical in this pandemic phase. And I strongly recommend yoga.